I set up the MIOPS to drop 2 droplets and then fire the flashes on the exact moment when the bounce of the first droplet collides with the second droplet going down. I do that through the MIOPS app that allows me full control over the whole thing. My settings are 50 milliseconds size for the first droplet, the same size for the second droplet, but that will happen 70 milliseconds after the first one. And 210 milliseconds later, the flashes will fire. The process is simple. We make the room totally dark, we fire the camera, and during the 2-second exposure, we activate the MIOPS splash. As far as the splash sequence happens during my exposure, I should get the perfect result every single time. The result is truly amazing. As I explained before, what's happening here is that the first droplet has fallen in the glass and bounced back up, creating the trunk of the mushroom. There is a point where it meets the second droplet as it comes down, and they collide. The flashes fire just on the exact millisecond of that collision, and all of that is possible thanks to the precision of the MIOPS splash. Well, I think the result speaks by itself. The MIOPS splash allows you to create some really amazing images, and I can only begin to imagine the possibilities of using up to 4 drops of water at the same time. I'm definitely going to continue experimenting with this amazing device to create some interesting portfolio of water drop photography. And you? See you in the next video.